Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn about sets. Okay, already when when we were in eighth class or eighth class and ninth class standards, we learn about sets. Okay, by using two circles. Okay, by using two circles in the two circles joined together. That means one circle after. Two circles mixed, two or three circles mixed. In that circles we mentioned some numbers. Okay, finding union, finding intersection, finding difference. This type of concepts we learned in mathematics when we were in 8th class or ninth class standards, I think. Okay, see, the same concepts will repeat again in programming, Python programming. Okay, let's have a look here. The set is always represent in between the flower braces. Okay, first see what is a set. Set are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Okay, see, I am already telling you first time onwards the multiple data types. Okay, the are storing in a multiple data types are storing in a single variable. Okay, those we are calling as a list, tuple, dictionary, as well as sets. Okay, but the way of representation is different. Okay, the way of representation is different, and rules and conditions are a little bit difference between the one inbuilt data structure to another inbuilt data structures. Okay, let's have a look here. Here I am saying set are used to. Okay, set are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Okay, set are used to multiple items in a single variable. Okay, and the rules of the sets are: set is a collection. Okay, collection which is unordered, unchangeable, unindexed. Okay, we will see it. Okay, what is unordered and what is unchangeable, and as well as what is unindexed. Okay, let's have a look later. Okay, now the last point, the elements. Okay, the representation of elements in sets in between the flower braces. Okay, in between the flower braces. In tuple we measured in tuple the representation in between the parentheses in a list in between the square braces. Likewise, the representation of set is in between the flower braces. Okay, now let's see one example. See this set. Okay, set. First here I am taking one list. The this set is equal, right? Flower braces, apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, then print the output. Print this set. See this. This is the set. Okay, this is the set. Next point. Okay, next point. See, next point. What he is saying? Set items. The set items are unordered, unchangeable, and do not allow the duplicate values. Okay, we will see it one by one. Okay, first, what is mean by unordered? Unordered means that the items in a set do not have defined order. Okay, do not have defined order. What is mean by it? That means the way of entered elements. Okay, the way of entered elements as input, the output should be changed. Okay, I will show one example. See, look here. Apple, banana, cherry. Okay, already printed. Now I am changing apple, banana, cherry. Why? Because the here alphabets is ordered. That's why it will print like this. Here I am changing. Okay, here I am changing cherry, and here I am writing banana. Okay, here I am changing and banana. See, the ordered print as apple, banana, cherry. Okay, apple, banana, cherry. Suppose here I am giving banana. Okay, here I am giving banana. See, and here I am giving apple. Okay, here the way of ordered. See, here entered order is banana, cherry, and apple. Okay, see the input. I entered the ordered like this: banana, cherry, and apple. In previous data structures, okay, like tuple or list, printed as it is, it will be print. Okay, as it is, it printed. Okay, as it is printed, but in sets it will change order. Okay, it will change order. See, apple, banana, cherry, that means it will take as based on the alphabets, I think, whatever maybe. Here I entered in one order, but the output should be print in another order. Okay, this is the suppose. Here I am giving additional elements 1 comma 5 comma 7 comma 2. Okay, I given like this. See the output. See the output. The output printed like this. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma apple comma 5 comma 7, like this it printed. Okay, let's have a look now. See, again change order: 1 apple, 2 banana, 5 and c. Again I am running. See, 1 2 apple, banana, 5 cherry and 7. Every time. Okay, every time the way of output printing is changing. Okay, this is unordered. I hope you understand, this is unordered. Okay, next point. See, set items can appear in a different order every time you use them and cannot be referred to by index or e. Okay, I already showed you. Next, unchangeable. Okay, set items are unchangeable, meaning we cannot change the items after the set have been created. Okay, already that means we won't allow another elements. Okay, we won't add another elements, and as well as in sets there is no index. Okay, in tuple and list, we suppose if you want to change in a list and tuple by using index numbers, we changed the elements. Okay, but in sets we won't change. There is no possibility to change. Why? Because the index concept is not there in sets. Okay, that's why not possible to enter another elements. Okay, next, unchangeable also visa. Next concept. See, yellow, duplicates not allowed. Okay, duplicates not allowed. Let's have a look here. Okay, suppose duplicates not allow means here already apple element is there. Okay, here I am giving another apple, and as well as here I am giving another banana. Okay, and as well as uh, okay, natural numbers one I am giving twice. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, output printed wrong. Why? Okay, here I missed comma. Okay, now let's have a look. See, cherry one time, apple only one time printed, one only one time printed, banana also one time printed. That means duplicate elements not allowed in sets. Okay, duplicate elements not allowed in sets. And as well as one more point I will discuss with you. What is true? Suppose here 1 is represents true. Okay, boolean value true, 1 is represents, and 0 is represents boolean value 0. Okay, I will enter those also. FALSE, false comma 0. Okay, it will print like this. Okay, only false value printed. Okay, only false value printed, true didn't printed. Why? Because true boolean value is represents number 1, and false boolean value it represents number 0. Okay, number 0. Oh sir, here false printed, but instead of true 1 printed, you said. Here I am removing 1 here. Okay, I am entering here. See, it will always print it. Now it will print instead of 1, true will be printed. Why? Because it will always refer the based on the order first time. Okay, first time occurred element only it will print. Okay, actually true and value 1 both are same. Okay, in boolean point of view, true word and 1, these two numbers are same. That's why at that time, if you occurred to these elements in set, at that time it will print only one element, either 1 or true value. As well, same concept is coming under false also, either false or 0 it will be print. Okay, I hope you understand. You can do practice one time. Okay, next, get the length of the set. Okay, get the length of the set. Here length of the set means, see here total, let's have a look here. Total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 elements are there. Okay, 9 elements are there, but it won't allow duplicate elements, right? Let's have a seek. What will be print? Len of this list. Okay, len of this set. Okay, len of this set. Now see length. Okay, now see the length. Okay, here okay, now see the length. See, five only printed. Why? Because duplicates won't count it. Okay, duplicates won't count it. Here I am removing true value and false also I am removing, and duplicate values also I am removing. Okay, let's have a look here. Now, how many elements are there in this set? Total 5 elements are there. Okay, total 5 elements are there. It will count only 5. Okay, it will only count 5. The duplicate elements are not counted by using len method. Okay, see, in this way we have calculate the length. Okay, in this way we have calculate the length. And the next concept, okay, set items under data types. Set items under data types means the set is, okay, the set will allow the multiple data types. Okay, the set will allow the multiple data types like this. Okay, here I am giving number 2. Okay, this is the integer value, and 2.5.7, this is the float value, and true, this is the boolean value, and these all are the string values. Okay, now you have printed. The set will allow the multiple data types. Okay, multiple data types. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, now see it. Okay, multiple data types will be print. Okay, multiple data types will be print. Okay, in this way we have calculate the set. Okay, in sets we have so many methods. What is intersection, what is union, this type of concepts are there. Okay, these concepts we will see in next video. Okay, so any concepts are there. Now type. Okay, what is the type and what is a constructor? Let's have a look here. Okay, what is a type means? Okay, first see the type. Here I am using type method. Okay, here I am using type method. See, the type means this is the set type. Okay, this is the class set. Okay, this is the class set. This is the set type. Now what is mean by constructor? By using list constructor, this set I will change into list. By using list constructor, this set I will change into list. Suppose if you want to convert into tuple, by using tuple constructor, this is set you have convert into tuple also. Okay, in this way we have calculate, in this way we have do by we used the what is type method and constructor methods. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. That's it for today in this video. Please, you have do practice. Okay, once you do practice you understand easily. Okay, point by point. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much.